Hey guys, welcome to the final lesson of the course. Now we are all set with the materials and the lights and the jelly effect. Now it's time to render this file properly so that we have an animation file. So first let's go to render and edit render settings, and for the renderer let's change this to physical. I have a lot of render. I have Octane, I have Arnold and bitrate, and with Octane this actually looks way better, but I can assume that you have Octane renderer, so I'm going to use the next best thing, that is physical renderer, which is built in Cinema 4D. Now on physical, I'm going to go to effect and add ambient occlusion, which is right here. So add the ambient occlusion, and now if we hit on render, you will see the difference. Let's wait just a little bit. Alright, you can see that now it looks more realistic. We have more shadows and a better lighting. So let's go again to render settings, and this time I'm going to move to output, and on output right now the size is fine, but as you can see on frame range, we have here current frame, and that is a problem because if we render right now, we're only going to render one single frame, which is the one that we are here. So what we need to do is to choose all frames, so you can see that it says from 0 frame to frame 200, which is exactly what we want because I want to render all that we did here. Okay, so we're fine with this. Now go to save, and we're going to choose an MP4. You can uncheck the include sound because we're not using sound. Now go to render, add to render queue, and just hit play. Now let's wait for it to render, and let's see how it looks, how the final render looks. Alright, I have my final render here. You can see that it came as close as the other one, and it looks really nice. We have some transparency here, which makes it look like jelly, and I really love how this part looks like some sort of gummy bear or something. And you can see that we have a slow pace, then it goes faster, and it goes slow again. So that's exactly what we were trying to achieve, this jelly effect for our text. And you could see that it was really simple to create using the spline wrap and the splines from Illustrator. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed the course. I hope that you had some fun, and don't just stay with this. Try to create some shapes, try to create some other type of text, try to create some different colors, maybe add some different colors like a tornado color or something. And please remember that you have the discussion board if you didn't quite understand something, or you have some doubt, or maybe you have a different version of Cinema 4D where you don't have some of the options that I used. You can use the discussion boards, and I'm going to be glad to help you. And remember to also upload your own project because I want to see how you did, how you applied all that I taught you here on the course. I want to see what you can do with this knowledge. So that's it for this course. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you on another course.